Hey everyone, in the previous video of data science with Python, we learned how to select specific rows using Python pandas data frame. In this tutorial, we will learn how to select specific columns or specify column ranges when we want to select values from a data frame. So let's start. So I've got this Jupyter notebooks open here with me, and what I have done is I've also uploaded this notebook to GitHub. I'll leave the link for the Jupyter notebook in the video notes, so you can download and play with it if you want. Also, I've got this data set from Kaggle, so I've also left a link in the video notes to get the data set, and you can get it when you want to do this tutorial along with me. So I'm just doing is I'm importing pandas, and then I've got my data in a folder on my machine. So I've got the training.csv and test.csv from Kaggle. And what I'm doing is I'm creating a data frame. I'm reading from this train.csv, and I'm putting that data in train_df. Similarly, the data from test.csv is getting stored in test data frame. So let me just execute it, and you can execute it by typing Shift Enter, and it moves on to the next one. And so this one is the previous one where we learned how to select specific rows. So this one will give us the first 10 rows. Let me press enter in the train data frame. So you can see it's giving me all the columns and the first 10 rows. Similarly, this will give me a row 5 to 10 and all the columns. And you can see that. Now let's say I want to select a column range, or let's say I want values from passenger ID to name. So all I need to do is after the comma, I need to have semicolon sorry, not semicolon. I have to have these quotes open, and then I have to put the first column and then the column till which I want the value. So now if I do Shift Enter, and you can see it is only giving me the first 3 rows, the first 3 columns. And let's say I want it till age. So all I need to do is in here, I can change it to age. And I again do Shift Enter, and you can see that it's giving me this. So it's giving me a larger data frame, or a larger data set, where it is giving me values from passenger ID to P class. And you can remove this, or you can keep what you want. So this is one way of selecting or specifying a column range when we're trying to look at the data. I also suggest that you have a look at the .loc function, and I hope you find this video useful. So what I meant was if you like, you can go and look at the documentation and see what else you can do. And I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thanks a lot. Cheers. Bye.